Hello, here's Miss Sher again with today's math lesson. Let's get started. Hello, today we are going to be talking about whole and equal parts. For today's example, we are going to be using a rectangle and thinking of it as a chocolate bar. So, the first one we have is halves, that is 2 sections. So I get one and you get one, and notice how the line is exactly in the middle. We each get an equal part. I didn't put the line over here so that I get a giant piece and you get a small piece. For something to be halves, it has to have equal parts. Now we have you, me, and another classmate want the same chocolate bar. Now, since there are 3 of us, we need to cut it into thirds. Notice again, each of us get the same amount of chocolate, equal parts. Instead of just cutting it once, we have now cut the candy bar twice to make thirds. And the last one we are going to work with is fourths. So now there's you, me, our other classmate, and another classmate all want to share the same chocolate bar. Making sure we each get equal parts, we've cut it 3 times to give us 1, 2, 3, 4 sections or fourths. Your job today is to turn this rectangle into fourths. So fourths, 4, you need 4 equal parts, and make sure they are equal. It's not fair if one person gets just this small sliver here and another person gets a big one. Make sure they are equal parts. This circle, we want you to cut it in halves or half. So you just need to cut it one line, make sure it is equal in the middle, and then thirds. Cut it twice. And again, you could do the line sideways or you could do up and down. And then on the next page, I have made some shapes for you that are already divided. I want you to count how many sections, and over here, write what are they cut into. Is this fourths, thirds, or halves? So do it with our first rectangle, our square, and our circle.